Are you manual tester or working in the different profile like BPO, support, or if you have a long career gap, or you are a fresher and looking a job as a automation testing profile with decent high guys. Hey guys, this is Mohit. I am working professional, work with a different client like Google. I am going to start new batch for automation testing profile where I can teach you Java from very basics to advanced, Selenium, Cucumber, and basics of API testing with real-time project. After completing the course, guys, we will also guide you for preparation for your resume, what the project you have to mention, will conducting the mock interview, and will give you the tips where how to get more interview calls from the Naukri, LinkedIn, and other job portal. So in my session, guys, more than thousand of the people got benefited and working in the top level of the MNC company with decent hike. So if you are interested to join the free demo class, please click on the below link and join the demo class. See you in the demo.